Welcome to Red Pill Markets. Today is May the 12th, 2020. Markets finished down. Most of the down move was in the last hour. Dow, S&P 500, NASDAQ, they were all down 2%. Small caps was down 2.75%. I think we still have maybe another 2-3% to go in small caps before it starts heading up. Let's look at some charts. Okay, we're looking at Dow Jones Transportation. So we're hoping that Dow Jones Transportation does not go below, what is that number here? Hopefully it doesn't go below like 7,800 before heading back up. Let's look at QQQ. QQQ, we think QQQ is going to come hit its 20-day moving average, which would be 204. So let's see, ended the day at 222, 204.18. It might not come back that far. Maybe 210. QQQ is probably going to come back to 210 before heading higher. If it gets past 210 on the downside, it's coming to this 205 area right here, the 20-day moving average. And then after that, it should bounce off of that. Let's look at SPY, S&P 500. S&P 500. S&P 500 will probably come down to about 280. If it gets past 280, it's coming down to 270 area before hitting back up. Let's look at IWM. IWM, it should hit 127. Well, no, sorry. It should hit 123. If it gets past that, it'll hit 120, about 120 before hitting back up. Let's look at financials, XLF. So from financials, we knew we were in trouble because financials for the last couple of days have been selling off, and small caps have been selling off. Those normally dictate the direction the market is going. So since NASDAQ was up, but both small caps and financials were down for the last couple of days. And if you look at it, pretty much for the last week, they've been pretty much in the same spot. So even though the NASDAQ went up, financials really didn't make any gains in the last week. Let's look at IWM for the last week. Yeah, about for the last week, IWM is barely up. So that told us that there was trouble. We expect more downside this week. Next week, we do expect the markets to start heading up. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Later.